This is a guide on replacing an LCD on a MacBook Air M1, model number A2337. For the replacement process, we'll need the following tools: Pentalobe screwdriver P5 1.2, Torx screwdrivers T4 and T8, and a plastic pick. To begin, make sure the laptop is turned off. Proceed on removing the back cover screws using a Pentalobe screwdriver P5 1.2. There are 10 screws total, and the 4 screws by the hinges are longer than the rest. Remove the back covers starting at the hinges. Flip the laptop around and using a T4 Torx screwdriver, remove 4 screws from the Wi-Fi antenna assembly. Using the same T4 screwdriver, remove 2 screws from the metal shield over the video connector. Disconnect the battery using a plastic pick. First lift the securing metal bracket, then pick open the battery connector. Remove the video connector shield. Using a plastic pick, open the video connector. Using a T4 Torx screwdriver, remove 1 screw from the Wi-Fi cable shield. Remove the shield. Pick open the coaxial Wi-Fi antenna cables. Using a T4 Torx screwdriver, remove 2 screws securing the LCD driver board. Using a plastic pick, gently pry out the Wi-Fi antenna assembly. Thread the LCD driver board through and set the assembly aside. Open the laptop display at a 90-degree angle and hang it off the desk edge. Using a T8 Torx screwdriver, remove 6 hinge screws, 3 on each side. Carefully separate the display assembly from the main body and set it aside. Take out the new display assembly and remove all packaging material around the LCD driver board. Bend the LCD driver board out towards the bottom edge and gently hang the new assembly on the hinges. Replace the 2 T8 Torx screws, 1 in each hinge, but do not tighten fully. Secure the LCD driver board with 2 T4 Torx screws. Reconnect the video connector. Reconnect the battery. Flip the laptop over and reconnect a USB-C charger. Turn the laptop on to test the new screen. The LCD is working and we can finish the installation process. Shut down the laptop and disconnect the power cord. Flip the computer over and disconnect the battery. Remove 2 T4 Torx screws from the LCD driver board and disconnect the video connector. Thread through the Wi-Fi antenna assembly over the LCD driver board. Press firmly on both sides of the Wi-Fi assembly and use a plastic pick to snap in the assembly in the middle under the LCD driver board. Realign the coaxial Wi-Fi cables and gently press at the top to plug them in. Replace the Wi-Fi connector shield and secure it with 1 T4 Torx screw. Secure the LCD driver board with 2 T4 Torx screws and reconnect the video connector. Replace the video connector shield and secure it with 2 T4 Torx screws. Depending on your replacement part, some of the LCD driver board shields may need to be transferred from the original assembly. Remove 2 T4 Torx screws from the left shield. Remove the shield. Remove 2 more T4 screws from the right shield. Remove the shield. Replace the left LCD driver board shield and secure it with 2 T4 screws. Replace the right LCD driver board shield and secure it with 2 T4 screws. Replace the 4 long T4 Torx screws to secure the Wi-Fi assembly. Undo the 2 T8 Torx screws in the hinges and using your fingers, ensure that the new display assembly is properly aligned with the main body. Tighten the 2 T8 Torx screws in the hinges. Replace the other 4 T8 screws in the hinges, 2 on each side. Reconnect the battery connector. Secure the connector bracket. Replace the back cover. Replace the 10 Pentalobe P5 1.2 screws in the back cover. The 4 longer screws go in the edge closest to the hinges. Flip the laptop over, reconnect the power, start the computer. Remove the protective film from the front and the back, and we're done.